Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to compare two popular project management tools, Trello Workspace and ClickUp. We will discuss their features, similarities and differences so you can decide which one is the best fit for your needs. So let's dive into the video. So first of all, I'm going to tell you about Trello. So first of all, you have to open Trello's Workspace. I'm going to tell you about Trello's Workspace. Trello is a well-established project management tool known for its simplicity and instructive interface. It follows the cabin board approaches, where tasks are presented as cards that must be moved across different columns and lists. Trello allows you to create multiple boards, each represent a project or workflow. Within these boards, you can create lists to categorize tasks and add cards for specific tasks or subtasks. You can assign due dates, add labels, and attach files to each card. After all these effective and extraordinary tools, Trello also offers you to collaborate. It gives you a feature of collaboration. It allows team members to comment on cards, assign tasks to each other, and track progress through checklists completion. It's a great tool to visualizing and managing projects in a simple and straightforward manner. Trello helps you to organize yourself and manage your tasks very easy and very perfectly. And to keep yourself engaged, you can add colors, you can add themes and photos, and you can also add background images to give your Trello's workspace and Trello board a presentable look. You can add a good simple title to your cards or to your boards. And also you can add items or your to-do list in your cards that will remind you about all your upcoming tasks, and it will make you organized and it will help you to do work on time. You can collaborate with your clients on Trello easily and fastly. It will help you to keep updated and to keep in touch with your clients. Now, the next management tool which we are going to talk about is ClickUp. So first of all, go to your Google Chrome or your browser and type clickup.com or simply ClickUp. It will open these websites for you. You have to tap on the first one and it will open this website of ClickUp in your computer or your laptop. Then you have to move forward, and in terms to do that, you just have to make an account on ClickUp. So for that, you have to sign up for free, enter your email address and then click on next. After tapping it, it will take you to next page, and in the next page, you have to fill all this information. You have to put your full name, your email address and create a password and then click on continue. ClickUp is a powerful project management tool that offers a wide range of features, making it suitable for items of all sizes and complexities. Unlike Trello, ClickUp provides multiple views, including the traditional list view, broad view, and even chart view. ClickUp offers a customizable workspace where you can create different spaces for your project or team. Within each space, you can create various folders, lists, and tasks. ClickUp's hierarchy allows for better organization and the availability to break down complex projects into manageable chunks. Now next step is similarities. Now that we have introduced both tools, let's explore some similarities. Both Trello and ClickUp offers integration with proper apps. The apps are very popular like Google Drive, Slack, and Dropbox, allowing for seamless collaborations and file sharing. They also provide mobile apps so you can stay connected and manage your project on your mobile phones. Both of these project management tools are very helpful and useful. You can have all the options. You can use it as all-in-one solution. It will help you to organize your daily routine or your workspace. So, if you want to maintain your work and if you want to stay organized at the same time, you have to choose a best project management tool for yourself, which is ClickUp or Trello. Both are very useful and helpful for your daily life. Now we are going to talk about paid and free plans. Now, as you know, both are the best project management tools. So, additionally, both tools have user-friendly interface and provide excellent customer support. They offer free plans with limited feature as well as paid plans with more advanced functionalities. So, Get yourself a free plan if you want to use basics of these project management tools. But if you want additional functionalities, you have to pay for it. But they are worth paying. So, which tool should you choose? Well, it ultimately depends on your specific needs. If you prefer a simple and visually appealing interface and your projects are relatively straightforward, Trello might be a right choice for you. But both Trello Workspace and ClickUp have their strengths and can greatly enhance your project management experiences. Take the time to explore their features, try out their free plans, and see which one resonates you and your team the most. Both of these programming tools are a best choice for you, but you can choose it according to your preferences. The one which suits you the best is the one you can work with the best. You can choose their advanced functionalities if you want to give your project a very professional look. It will instantly enhance the professionality of your project, but it only depends upon you what you choose for you and your team. Trello and ClickUp will help you to get 10 times faster than before. It helps you to work quickly and more professionally, as you know, I have said before. These tools will help you make your different or difficult tasks into manageable chunkies so that you can do complex projects in no time, and you can break your complex projects into pieces and make them an easy one. Both of them will help you keep engaged with your work and stay connected with your work. So, it's a great tool to work on. So, what are you waiting for? Log in one of these websites or one of these tools and enjoy using your professional workspace. And it will save your time for sure. I hope this video will help you a lot in any way. And I hope you will understand about Trello and about ClickUp also. I tried my best to explain it to you in a very best manner. I have tried my level best to give all the information about Trello and ClickUp, but still, if you have any confusion in your mind, you can ask me in the comment section below. I'll surely answer you in the comment section. Both the project management tools are easy to use and very understandable, and I hope you'll get all the information you need from this video. Thank you so much for showing interest and liking our video. We will bring more quality content for you guys. You will get all the useful and informative content in our videos, so keep on watching that. That is it for today's video. We hope you find this comparison helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you so much for watching the video and we'll see you in the next video.